Within the treaty, there was a promise of education, which was defined by Chief Sakaajwe. We would take the best of both worlds, the Anishinaabe and non-Anishinaabe worlds, and bring them together to benefit the generations to come. For the Anishinaabe people, those were things that were protected in the treaty. You know, education, fishing, hunting, self-government, forestry, minerals and resources, agriculture, they're all part of the treaty. It goes back to the land. And I think that the intent of the treaties was to share the land. It wasn't about ceding land, or it wasn't about surrendering or giving up or selling land. It's about the land being able to be shared and used by all people that occupy the territory. Well, Treaty 3 territory is big, but it is beautiful, and it's diverse. Beautiful water, beautiful forests, rivers, and town sites, and First Nations, and powwow grounds, and it's just quite stunning. Just a beautiful place to live. If you haven't experienced it, you got to come and see it live.